Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. As Easter is coming, egg dishes are very popular. So today I want to show you how you can surprise your family with this new egg recipe. Stay tuned and see how to do it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any recipes in the future. I post new videos at least twice a week. Firstly, we need to prepare the pickling liquid. So in order to do that, we need just a deep pan with the water. We add to the water a good quality apple cider vinegar. Then we add some salt. And then we will need also a bit of sugar, not too much, but it is necessary for pickling. And then we take a small cabbage, red cabbage leaf. We cut it into smaller pieces and add to the liquid. We cut our beetroots in smaller pieces and we add all of them to the pickling liquid as well. They will give this beautiful, beautiful deep magenta color. And we also add a little bit of a small onion or a shallot. Not all of it, just a little bit. With the skin on, because the skin will give a little bit of a brownish color to the liquid. It's not strong, it's just a little bit. We bring the liquid to the boil, and when it's boiling, we lower the temperature and we simmer for under 10 minutes. After that, the liquid is ready. We set it aside to cool down. We take out all the red cabbage leaves. If they stay inside, they will give a little bit too much of a bluish color, which we don't want. And right now, the pickling liquid is ready. We prepare a deep jar. We put our eggs inside. I want to show you how the halves look like and how the whole eggs look like as well. That's why I just put one of each. So we transfer our liquid into the jar and then also all our beetroots and shallots. We set it aside to cool down completely and then we can put it in the fridge overnight. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 1 week, but 1 day is enough for the eggs to get a really nice magenta color. That's just basically what I did. As you can see, the color changed a little bit. It is much deeper. And right now, how the eggs look like. So here goes the first. This is the whole egg. It is a fully colored egg. As you can see, beautiful magenta color. That's what I promised. That's what it is. And here are the halves. I will cut the egg so we can see how it looks inside. It's not fully colored as the halves are. There is still a little bit of the white remaining, which gives this beautiful contrast to this egg. There is only a rim visible that has the magenta color. I just love it. It looks so nice, so beautiful and tasty. It's really, really, really nice combination. And right now I will prepare a little bit of a filling. So in order to do that, you just remove the egg yolks. If you have any remaining, you can add them as well. And you add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then you need to smash the egg yolks. And then you add a little bit of mayo. Or you can also use a horseradish if you prefer. You just create a nice smooth paste. And if you want to add a little bit more color, you add turmeric. That's the best thing. This is a natural coloring agent. And then you transfer it to the piping bag with whichever ending you really need. Piping tip is optional. And then you just pipe really nice dollops of filling into the eggs. When it comes to the decoration, I will be using a little bit of chives and grated pickled beetroot that was used for the pickling liquid. And that's my idea of decoration, but feel free to decorate as you wish. Try different ingredients. These pickled eggs are really, really nice and you can match different things to them as well. That's how they look like when they are ready. They are beautifully colored. They look amazing on the plate. And what is more important is that They taste a little bit differently than usual eggs. They will be a little bit sharper because of the pickling liquid. I really recommend them for Easter. Looks beautiful, tastes great. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.